Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs. I thought I would just do a really quick video today just kind of to let you guys know that I am going to do all the finishing touches and things off camera and then just do a final flip through. And what I mean by finishing touches, I mean like things like this. Where I go, this wasn't matted, this wasn't embellished in any way, this little part right here. So I'm going to go through the entire album. I've already done several pages up to this point where I've done some of the finishing touches, but I'm just going to go ahead and do it off camera. Like for example, I did that yesterday, just matting things and adding embellishments and adding bling and things like that throughout the album. So I'll come back and do like a detailed flip through of everything I did off camera. So I'll come back and do like a detailed flip through of everything for you guys and show you everything that I did. But I just wanted to tell you guys that. And also, I have a question for you. Friday is the last giveaway drawing for the Basically Amazing Enchanted Decorative Edge add-on. And there are two backgrounds left. There's the light wood and the grungy wood. And I was thinking about offering them together, like as a bonus, you know, buy one get one free kind of thing for that background design, for those two background designs. And I was also thinking, I wondered if I should do it for a limited time or just leave it alone. And I don't know. I can't decide. You guys leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you think that'd be fun to offer the last two background designs on the Enchanted Decorative Edge as like a bonus, like buy one, get one. So in the same listing, basically. Let me know your thoughts. I think it might be kind of fun to do just stuff like, uh-oh. You guys see what, look at, I'm going to try to get it to focus. Look, you see how that's not closed? That was overnight like that. Oh no. Shoot. Hopefully it's fine. Sorry, I keep hitting I have cabinets underneath me. I keep hitting it. Oh, and also, I wanted to say a massive thank you. In my last video, I recorded it on a day that was an anniversary of one of my son's deaths. And I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who left a comment, who sent me a sweet message. I didn't get to answer any of the comments that day, and I'm thinking I'm probably not going to go back because I'm reading them. And I should have hearted them when I read them, but I didn't. So, but anyway, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who said sweet things. It's, grief is hard, you know, and I lost two sons, and there is no, you know, like getting over it or anything like that. That doesn't happen. And when people try to say that it does, they're lying. There is no getting over it, you know. So there's just, it's really hard to explain. Losing a child is the worst thing that could ever possibly happen to anyone. And that doesn't make sense to a lot of people, but it is what it is, you know. Losing the child is the hardest thing. So anyway, I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for being respectful of my time and my feelings. And thank you for giving me grace to just say it and just work really quickly to give you something. Because I'm trying to make myself, even when I don't feel like it, I'm trying to make myself create something with you guys, for you guys. And make myself do something that I love to do. Sometimes sometimes we do that to ourselves, where we will just literally take all the joy out of your life when you are grieving and when you are having a hard time or your memories are just taking over. And sometimes one of the first things we do is take away the things that give us joy because we feel bad. It's hard to be happy when you're grieving. Do you know what I mean? Makes you feel guilty. Now, I also, sorry you guys, I did not mean to do that. It's not a recent death. It's been a long time, but you push it away a lot. You push your feelings away a lot. And when it hits, and there's nothing you can do about it. So anyway, I just wanted to say that really quick. I just wanted to let you guys know what I was doing. I just wanted to say thank you. And let me know what you think about the offering both background designs together Friday. And leave me a comment and all that jazz. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and share me with somebody, would you? I've kind of fallen out of the algorithm, and that's, I mean, I know people say it's not a big deal, but this, you know, it is my job, so it is kind of a big deal. So if you could help me get back in the algorithm, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share me with somebody, all of that jazz. I would truly appreciate it. And oh, things that are coming up. I do have the I know this is all over the place. I do have a couple paper collections in mind, but they're not available yet, so I don't have my hands on them, so I'm not going to tell you guys what they are. I may not even like them when I see them in person, but I have, my mind's already creating this next album that we're going to make, so it's already, I'm just trying to get through this one, you know, finishing details on this one so I can share that with you guys, and then I will start working on the next album. And I think you guys are going to love it. So anyway, all right, that's all I'm going to say. I will see you guys Friday. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Bye.